we will learn about the different blocks used for programming the display. To go to display blocks directly, click on the display section on the left hand side as seen here. But first, drag and drop when Boffin starts a block. Now drag Hello World block and connect it below the first block. Then upload the code to check the output. Now let us see what happens when we use the display block inside the forever loop. Just place the blocks like these and then hit the upload button. If you observe the output, the display on the Boffin continuously prints out Hello World and fills up the screen in no time. We will need to clear the screen if we want to display the Hello World only once. For this, just drag and drop the clear display block from the display section. Insert the block above the display Hello World block. Now upload the code to check the results. We observe that now even though the Hello World is displayed once, it starts where the previous text ended. What if we want to print the text at the same location again? We will need to use set cursor block to achieve this. Drag the cursor block inside the forever block as seen here. The cursor position on x-axis can be changed from 0 to 127. This is because this is a 128 by 64 pixel display. Similarly, on y-axis, one can change the cursor position from 0 to 63. For now, let the cursor position be at 0, 0 and upload the code. Later, you can try changing the values and check what happens. The text might seem so small on the display. To increase the size, we can change the font size using set font size block. Let us change the font size to 2 and re-upload the code. You can select whatever font size you want. But this display can do so much more than just displaying the text. We can draw pictures. This is done by turning on or off an individual pixel. The drop pixel block helps us achieve this. Replace everything present inside the forever loop with draw pixel block. One can set the x-axis and y-axis of the pixel by changing the individual sliders. Set the x-axis to 63 and y-axis to 31. Re-upload the code and observe the display. There is a special block called display with a drop-down menu. Using this block, we can present different pictures on the Boffin display. Select Happy from the drop-down menu and upload the code to check the output. Similarly, one can select different images to be displayed from the drop-down menu. Hope that you have understood different blocks used for display. Let us meet in the next video to learn something new.